Jason Dubendorfer here, Atlas Copco Product Specialist over Error-Proofing Solutions. Today we're going to talk about Atlas Copco Process Control Software. Why Process Control Software? Process Control Software allows manufacturers to keep their operations running within specified limits and to set more precise limits. First, we're going to look at productivity. When processes are in place, it helps increase productivity by allowing operators to run more efficiently. It improves quality. Without process control standards, products would vary and quality would be impaired. Ensures consistency. Limits are set so that way every product coming off the line is the same. Promotes profitability. While maintaining strict process control standards, repair and rework decreases instantly, increasing the company profitability. Now let's take a look at the two software packages that Atlas Copco offers covering process control in the assembly station. First, we have Smart AMS, which is a torque process only. Next, we have our SQS3, which is full process control. As you can see, we share a lot of the same features. However, our Smart AMS only allows tightening processes on the process control, where the SQS is a full station process control. It becomes the hub of the station. Data collection, we have ToolsNet 8 with Smart AMS. SQS3, we have a couple more options with ToolsNet, CSV file on the local machine, and also SQLite database. Configurations. Smart AMS is a very simple web-based configuration setup similar to an Excel spreadsheet, where SQS configuration is a little bit more demanding as it incorporates many more features and functionalities. User interface. The user interface for Smart AMS is tool and scanner only, whereas the SQS, the user interface, is a in-station PC or a virtual machine thin client. They are both rework compatible, utilizing the SQS rework. Next, we're going to take a quick look at the overview of Smart AMS. Tightening process control. Smart AMS controls the tightening process while reducing engineering and maintenance efforts using only one interface between Smart AMS, your MES, to exchange build information and to send back production results. It's completely scalable. Thus, the scalability from one station to a complete production facility becomes extremely effortless. And it's easy to use. The easy-to-use Smart AMS enables a setup without the need for industrial PCs on the shop floor, as well as a web-based configuration tool with drop-down menus. Now we're going to take a quick overview of SQS. Smart Connected Assembly Concept. With our Smart Connected Assembly concept, which combines hardware, software, and smart accessories, you maintain quality control in complex production systems and increase uptime in production for critical operations. As you can see here, we can include the who did what, when, and how, with that operator being accountable for all their actions. Reduce rework. This error-proofing software helps to achieve zero defects and reduce cost of rework, scrap, and warranty claims. Driving quality. SQS3 is a comprehensive software solution driving quality, process reliability, and transparency. So let's do a quick recap. First, we have our Smart AMS, which is a torque process only. It's great for muscle memory applications. So if you have stations that's just the same tightening step over and over, this will give you exactly what you need. The software will set the tightening program to the controller, the operator will do the rundowns, and all of that result data will be captured. Where SQS is a full station process control. It's more for the high complex production or that multi-product, multi-variant production, and has a lot of peripherals attached to the stations, such as pick-by-lights, fluid fill, leak tests, camera inspections, and tooling. We can also have several different operators maintained on this station. It's also important to mention here that if you have a line such as a Smart AMS line, but you also need some SQS3 at certain stations if they're safety critical or they're just overly complex, our softwares work great together. So at that point, now you can drop in a SQS station on a Smart AMS line however you need. The data bridge from the MES to Smart AMS and the data bridge from the MES to SQS is the same. So we relay the same information. Thank you, and I hope you found this interesting and educational. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to your local Atlas Copco representative.